So you will see that there are certain similarities, but these similarities are inherent. We are taking the microblogging format which exists in the world, but Indianizing it. I cannot say that your newspaper has copied the same thing because there was a newspaper like that existing in the same shape and the same format.
Hi, Mayank sir. My question is, there is a constant allegation about the thing that who is the copy of Twitter? It's a desi version of Twitter, right? From the concept, or you can say there are some allegations saying that the total interface is the copy of Twitter, or some similar kind of allegations regarding the how it works and how it functions and all that. What is your clarification about this, or what you want to say about the same allegations?
So I think that uh, uh, if you look at search engines, right, the most basic thing that you can have is a search box, right?
Right.
So every search engine needs to have a search box, right?
Yeah.
When you look at microblogging, there's only a few ways in which you can show how people are contributing as a microblog. It's going to be a short format, it's going to have a profile picture, and there are various ways in which you can show that design, right? We're a very young product. So we will keep evolving in our design, in our product features and things like that, right? Now, Google was not the first search engine in the world, but it solved a particular problem and the whole world uses it today. In a similar way, we are taking the microblogging format which exists in the world, but Indianizing it because a lot of people in India are not participating in it. So we're solving a very different problem from what has been solved by existing players, right? So you will see that there are certain similarities, but these similarities are inherent, right? It's very similar to newspapers. There's a particular format, right? It's a particular shape. I cannot say that your newspaper has copied the same thing because there was a newspaper like that existing in the same shape and the same format. Well, you will put the headline on top. You will put the topmost article right below the headline. It's not called copy, right? So there are certain formats that you need to follow because users are used to a certain kind of UI element, and you need to cater to that nuance, right? People are used to WhatsApp as a messaging service. They're used to a particular kind of format. So when we're trying to cater to a particular segment, it's very important that you don't get extremely creative and use certain icons or designs that will make them have to learn new habits, right? So that's basically why you use, like, the thumbs up will always be a thumbs up, right? Now, Facebook
Right.
could say, well, we introduced the thumbs up, but there's no other way to show a thumbs up.
Right. Yeah. So basically, this is a part of design. So it's in a basic format currently, and you will upgrade gradually as you go ahead.